weather radio station, WXL70's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Test of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted.
And they didn't test KHC27 yet.
If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order.
Look at the time!
The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station WXL70, broadcasting near Charlotte, on a frequency of 162.475 MHz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Anson, Cabarrus, Catawba, Cleveland, Gaston, Ardell, Lincoln, Mecklenburg, Montgomery, Richmond, Rowan, Stanley, and Union. In South Carolina, Cherokee, and York. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Torn Alert test.
Now we wait for KHC27 to do it.
These are the 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time observations for the Charlotte metropolitan area on Thursday, January 26th. At Charlotte Douglas International Airport, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 47 degrees, the dew point 31, and the relative humidity 53%. The wind was northwest at 8 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.00 inches and steady.
Version 1 went off.
It was sunny. The temperature was 46 degrees. It was sunny.
Now we wait for KHC27.
Temperature was 47 degrees. It was sunny. Elsewhere, at 45 at Shelby, and 61 at Shelby, and 51 at Fayetteville. It was mostly sunny. The temperature of 46 at Hickory, and 96 at Statesville. It was partly sunny, with a temperature of 45 at Greensboro and 40 at Asheville.
KHC27.
In South Carolina, it was sunny.
Still
with
has
a
not
temperature of
tested
46
yet.
at Greenville, Spartanburg, and 45 at Greenwood. It was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 49 at Columbia and 52 at Charleston. Once again at 11 a.m.
So before they test, GSP decides to take their sweet ass time and issue the weekly test at 12 p.m. For some weird reason, they decide to just do that for some reason. And then they don't even tone KHC27 at the same time. So KHC27 will probably be going off in a minute, but that is the latest RWT I have probably ever recorded of all time. The second latest was 11:55. That was last spring because there were issues with the channel ID loops, and they weren't able to get the test through. But in this case, they decide to issue it at like 12:04 or something ridiculous, and they didn't even tone KHC27 yet. WR30 activated. 74210, version 1, 519. This one's set to KHC27.
It's around 30. West wind.
Version 2 is on KHC27. That's why it didn't go off yet. There we go. About time, GSP!
The preceding signal was a test of weather radio station KHC27's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Test of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station KHC27, broadcasting near Rock Hill on a frequency of 162.425 MHz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in South Carolina: Cherokee, Chester, Fairfield, Lancaster, Union, and York. and in North Carolina, Cleveland, Mecklenburg, and Union.
It's a perfect
This
activation.
includes the NOAA weather radio. All hazards to an alert test. Now for the official National Weather Service.
That's a
forecast
perfect
for Rockville
activation.
and vicinity. Today, sunny. Highs in the lower 50s.